welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to review some of the products from Mamaearth. So I have been applying since a month now and I really found to be good, and so I thought of sharing with you, as these are extremely affordable in the market and also easily available. You can purchase it from Amazon, Flipkart, and even from the Mamaearth website. So, and the Mamaearth website, if you purchase from Mamaearth website, they keep rolling on a week basis various offers like buy to get free or flat 50% cashback or something like that. So first I'm going to review one first product, that is the Skin Illuminate Face Serum. So I will show you the packaging first. So this is how it looks. It comes in a pump, and you have to press on the pump and apply the specified quantity on your face. And I would advise, like, just apply the serum before you moisturize your skin. Just after you cleanse your face, apply a toner and then apply directly this on your face, as this directly penetrates into your skin and reduces the dark spots and targets on those areas are which have wrinkles or dark spots. So it mainly targets those cells, so it works in that way. So serum is very important for your skin care routine, and this is enriched with vitamin C and turmeric, and so this is a very good product, and this is also silicone and paraben free. So you can definitely try this, and it is good for all the skin types. So I have got a combination skin, and it is good for oily skin also. Like, your skin will not break out for sure, because what you can do, like, if your skin is too oily, then you cannot you can skip moisturizer. You can apply your toner and then directly apply the serum and then skip moisturizer, and it works the same purpose as that of moisturizer also for oily skin people. And you can apply twice a day, like at the morning time, just before you moisturize, and also in the evening time. Also you can apply it, or at the night time also you can apply. So that's all about this product, and this is really good. Like, after 1 week of usage, like, you will definitely start seeing the results on your face. Like, your skin will start glowing, and it will reduce your pigmentation or any dark patches you have in the skin. It will be reduced for sure. The next product which I'm going to talk about is the vitamin C sleeping mask, and first I will show you the packaging. So the packaging is like this. So this is 100-gram bottle, and the 100-gram bottle is priced at 5.99, and the face serum was priced at 5.99 for 30 ml bottle. And this 100-gram of bottle like, is priced at 5.99 rupees, as I've said, and you will get discounts in this too also. And for this vitamin C, the sleeping mask, this is a basically overnight mask that you apply on your skin before you go to bed. And this is a gel based formula. This has a gel based formula, and this quickly get absorbed in your skin whenever you apply it. And this gives a this is very lightweight, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin becomes very smooth and supple, and also, like, your skin starts glowing after first usage only. And it reduces, like, those who are showing the signs of aging, this is a very good option from them. And those who are not, that is, then also you can apply it, because it's a very good overnight cream. And it gives the similar effects as that of a very high-end brand, which I have noticed. Like, I also have used Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and that is also like a very good overnight cream. And it gives a similar effects as that of Estee Lauder ones. And it gives a beautiful glow, and this Mamaearth also gives a similar glow as that of Estee Lauder. So you can definitely try this, and this also suits for all India, like all the skin types, like normal to combination to oily skin types. And this is enriched with vitamin C and aloe vera, and this is also paraben and silicon free. And yes, so this is a very good product. You can definitely go for this, definitely try, and you will definitely like it. And so that's all about my video. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and keep watching my channel, and share with your friends and family. Till then, bye bye. Thanks.